In today's Cooking at Home cooking class with my dear friend Antoine, chef extraordinaire, we're going to prepare a 3-course meal comprised of regional specialties. We begin our cooking class with preparation of the traditional cannelés, a specialty of the region. And look at those figs! They're being poached in a local wine from the Gras appellation. Our first appetizer is comprised of a fresh goat cheese from the region, and it's transformed into a beautiful mousse. And to accompany the mousse and the crispy veggies, we're going to prepare a lemon and mint sauce. Hold on to your pants, folks, because here we go for appetizer number 2, the pièce de résistance of the entire gourmet meal, the specialty, ultimate specialty of the Southwest, foie gras. And we're not talking mi-cuit, we're talking fresh, from the duck to the pan to the plate, seared perfectly by ours truly, Antoine. And once guest Mark has put the perfectly pan-seared foie gras onto the baguette toasts and the compote of apples, we're going to move on to our main course. Antoine's going to prepare that without our assistance so that we can enjoy an aperitif, or, as we say in English, the cocktail before lunch. Voila! That's it. Our lunch preparation is complete. From our entree to our main course and our dessert, now we're going to finish our cocktails, have a seat at the table, enjoy some photo ops of these beautiful dishes, and dig in. Thank you, Antoine.